Before we dive into just a brief bit about the forecast, wanted to show you the latest on the drought monitor. It updated on Thursday. Still widespread drought across the state. However, we are starting to notice a few pockets of improvement, especially in some of the higher elevations in our southern mountains. So let's cross our fingers. We can keep this trend alive. When we started February, we were about 81% of normal for statewide snowpack. We are up to 91%. So the snowpack is growing slowly but surely, and that is some really, really good news. We have a